July Samala, welcome again to Knowledge Hub. The next संस्करण में lecture नंको आता 9th class से chapter probability आता discuss होते हैं पे. So पसंद तने दिरिंग आता है तन्ना वे basic का तने आता example जिगना question जिगना discuss. So बस समय संस्करण लाएंगे example जिगने थियो. Let's suppose कल्तेस आता है ludo game जिक्से दो with our friend. तने आता use नो ludo game नंको तने आता dice आता roll चोको सम वाला. So पसंद if we roll a dice Takaltes nata dice roll chona tene teve na kona possible outcomes nata chi ligino lechi option 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 so pasang nata sample space mo ata chi songle collection of possible outcomes. Thus suppose by the end of the game the die was rolled 500 times. Thus tangatan chut ke ki end of the game ka kal nata game bo chik se sarashiknya po kaltes nata dice po 500 times roll chuste yodna yam teven ko nata chi observation ji yos nates nata tio note chashiknya po nata chut ke ki dice po nata 500 times roll chusani nata 1 bo 96 times appears on tena chusa nata 2 bo 70 times appeared yam so tena chusa kaltes 6 bo 79 times yos yodna tangata question chi do what is the probability that when the die was rolled 4 was on the top यहाँ तेना चुसला the result was an odd number तंगता probability pinches से नोकता कल्तेस नता dice को roll चोशी नपो तेने नता 4 नोचे से नता probability चितो नता त्यो पिनलो यहाँ तेना चुसला नता result मोता odd number चियो तेवे probability पिनलो so let us find Kazu tene ki sanskrit mein lecture namko aata hai discuss chusala that is the probability of any event can be calculated with the formula that is the experimental probability of any event can be calculated that is the number of trials in which the event happened upon the total number of trials या था total number of experiments अला तनी संस्करण में लेक्चर नंबर आता डिस्कस चुस्पिन कि probability of any event can be calculated with the formula that is the number of trials in which the event happened upon the total number of trials so बस हम तंगता in this case in this example first thing बता चितुले trial वाला that is the experiment बहुत अच्छी दुगले rolling of a dice right यहाँ even हमको आते हैं आता total number of experiment या फिर total number of नता trials बहुत आसम चूस दुगले that is 500 times या so पसंद आता experiment बहुत आता trial बहुत आसम दुगले 500 times so पसंद आता first question नता ची दुगले आता probability ping law of the event that is 4 was on top so the probability of the event 4 was on top so pasang hive probability nata pinches no probability of any event can be calculated with this formula enka na ko cheez aste according to this formula number of trials in which the event happened so pasang ata even so pasang ata first question nko ata event which dugle 4 was on the top 4 was just probability so then ata chi so even nko number of trials in which 4 was on top upon the total number of trials यहाँ था total number of experiments so बसंगा according to this observation number of trials का भी नको आता 4 बोलों तो ते आता सम दुगले 4 so बसंग 4 वो तेरे आता same times जो फिर 75 times and the total number of trial is 500 हला तगलते संगे you further नता cancel out जो ना आता चीज़ होंगे you हम नता further cancel out जो ना सब सो 5 5 is 25 and 100 3 and 20 so 3 upon 20 so pasang tene ata probability of the event 4 was on the top te probability ata chance le 3 by 20 right तो tena chusa ata second question ata chile second question nanko tene ata event badu the result was an odd number. Then odd number yung just probability ping lo result. So the probability of the event, that is the result was an odd number, can be calculated. In this case, in this experiment, result odd number, that is e sample space then odd number chi do. So even odd number, no, that is 1 3 5 odd number. So probability ping of the event 1 yang tenar susah 3 5 chi chobos 1 go sometimes appears on the do yang tenar susah 3 go sometimes appear do tenar susah 5 go sometimes appear do te sangka chi chobos some chobos. So 1 go sometimes appear do in this case 96 times do tenar susah 3 go 95 at the odd number 5 some do 87 times upon total number of trials, that is 5. Tamata isun ka 8 judging am that is 6 plus 5 11 plus 7 18 one carry choose 9 or 10 and 19, that is 27 278 upon 5. Ala then further you cancel out some mostly 202 236 298 and 250, that is mostly 139 divided by 250. So probability things of the event for wasn't top and the event the result was an odd number. Tangi is thing exercise 15.1 question number 2nd. Question number 2nd 1500 families with 2 children were selected randomly and the following data were recorded. 1500 families 2 children randomly select yang data number of families, number of girls in the family. 2 children randomly select girls 3 number of families girls girls number of families 475 to yang number of girls number of families that is one girl one boy randomly select the number of families 814 then also 0 girls boys number of families 211 e data recorded given compute chose low the probability of a family chosen at random having 2 girls 1 girl no girls. So the girls randomly select 3 number of families probability 2 girls 2 girls 1 girl 0 girls probability. Also check whether the sum of these probabilities is 1. Probability sum 1 check. So then give a solution probability facts note then you note the probability of an event lie between 0 and 1 inclusive. Event probability always lie between 0 and 1. Probability or that is probability of any event is always greater than equal to 0 or less than equal to 1. 0 na 1 is then second fact the sum of the probabilities of all possible outcomes is 1. That is the probability that is experiment some possible outcomes here they probability is sum always 1 because we check chose sum event sum probability sum 1. Then also third fact the probability of an event that is not in the sample space is 0. Then kazuwe dash row sample space 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 method event probability that is for example 7 dash row 7 probability 7 event possible outcomes so probability always 0. So let's come to the solution of this question. Then first you first pen हमको तेने आता event बोलूँले that is having two girls, that is the probability of having two girls. So on तेरे मता probability चाहिए चलो is मता चाहिए चलो number of families having two girls, right, upon total number of families, that is in observation number of families two girls, so number of families two girls, that is 475, and the total number of families 1500, right. You further cancel out या फिर इनर्जी को नॉट निकाला तेस्ती नता सेकंड नता चितुले सेकंड नंको दुले इवेंट बोता probably second नंको दुले that is the probability of having one girl. So बस ते नंको आता number of families having one girl नता ते observation बोता चितुले 814 divided by 1500, right. तेना तो साथ थर्ड बोचुले probability of having no girl, right. So बस हम number of families having no girl तेवे गाता number of families पहुंचा सम दुले 211 upon गाता total number of families गाता सम 1500 ताता इमोता समले probability of having two girls, number of families having two girls, one girl and no girl. Yang ata check choose this to whether the sum of this probabilities is 1. So sum of all probabilities, that is matahi sum chona, that is 475 upon 1500 plus 814 upon 1500 plus 211 upon 1500. So need some LCM chirule 1500. It's sum that is 549 plus 1. 10 1 carry, that is 7 1 8 9 and 9 plus 1 10 and 1 carry, that is 4 5 5 plus 8 13 13 plus 2 15, that is 1500 upon 1500 mostly 1. So sum of all probabilities mostly 1. So by question number 2 of the exercise 15.1. So pasama rewar ninja how was the you then ina chosla ata tani exercise some questions yo teo vishay am nije jo chesno but this then am ija doubts usad na tani ija am tinga tira